Before I move to Neeraj, Abhinav, do you still have self-doubt?
Yes, at times. I mean, working for this little session, I was very nervous, so that stays. But I learned to accept it. I learned to deal with it. I have better coping strategies. But that is, I'm always a work in progress.
You want to share some of your coping strategies with a larger audience? Because, stressful situations or a moment that you need to perform is there for everybody. Maybe not at a gold medal level, but...
I think acceptance. I think whenever we are in a difficult and sticky situation which pushes us out of our comfort zone, as human beings, we resist those situations. Just accept it. I accepted it. I have to be here this morning and I have to try and do a good job of entertaining you. So it's made my life a little bit simpler. So it is about acceptance, but it is a way of life. You have to, it's not just you use it in a stressful situation. And also gratitude. I think we take life for granted and we're always hoping and thinking about things we don't have. But we forget about all the stuff we presently have. So practicing gratitude and acceptance, I think, helps.
नीरज, आपको कभी सेल्फ डाउट हुआ कि मैं फील्ड में जा रहा हूँ और बॉडी शट डाउन कर रही है, मैं फेंक नहीं पाऊंगा, मुझे
नहीं, मैं मतलब फेंकने का तो मेरा ये है मैम कि दिमाग में एक चीज़ लेके जाता हूँ कि कुछ आज कसर नहीं रहनी चाहिए. मतलब ओलंपिक में तो यही था कि दिमाग में एक चीज़ ये नहीं आनी चाहिए बाद में कि यार एक दिन था मेरे पास ये और मैंने वहाँ पे कुछ कसर छोड़ दिया. मतलब मैं पूरा रेडी था वहाँ पे, टूटना फूटना चले आऊँगा, आज जितना जोर लगा सकता हूँ लगाऊंगा. पर कई बार होता है कि हाँ तैयारी इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है, हम फिट नहीं होते हैं पूरे, पर फिर भी मैं ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे कंसंट्रेट नहीं करता. मैं सोचता हूँ कि बस जितना मेरे अंदर जो भी आज जितनी स्ट्रेंथ है या जो भी मेरी तैयारी है वो मैं उसका 100% दूँ बस. तो ऐसा होता है. पर कभी कभी बिल्कुल मैम बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी हो जाता है जब तैयारी अच्छी ना हो. तो वैसे नॉर्मली कभी ऐसा कुछ फील नहीं होता.
He represents the new age Indian athlete, so he has belief. So
that's
the evolution.
Absolutely true. The younger generation of Indian athletes, the amount of self-confidence and self-belief they have is unbelievable. And they walk around with the chip on the shoulder and they believe that they are just at par or if not better than everybody else. And that is what I think will be the best thing that happens to Indian sport in this next decade.
But Manisha, isn't it also that Abhinav has to internalize all the emotions and be very still? He can't have anything move. And Neeraj is like taking all those emotions and throwing it out, right?
Yeah. So they're very different sports, and they're sports that require such a gamut of different kind of training and different, I mean, the whole nature of it is completely different. It's really not fair to compare the two. I mean,
No, if you equally hard.
Yeah, I mean, if you see, okay, like Abhinav, now tell your story. The night before the Olympics, what were you doing? Were you nervous?
Of course, it was, my sporting event is equated to a controlled panic attack. And then you have to make sense and find calm amongst chaos. But you want to tell the story. Before I boarded my flight to Beijing, I was in Munich and I was checking out of my hotel, packing my stuff, and I looked at the minibar. And I was not really a big drinker of sorts, and I opened my minibar, and I saw 2 little miniature bottles of Jack Daniels. And for whatever reason, I packed it in my toilet kit. And the night before my Olympic final, I was nervous. I couldn't sleep. I was about to die. I thought back to my Jack Daniels, and I went to my toilet kit and opened these 2 bottles of miniatures of Jack Daniels, and I drank them. And next day, gold medal. So
there we go. That's an easy tip for everyone to follow, I think.
I was armed with self-respect, and I was armed with Jack Daniels. Who the hell could beat me on that day?
नीरज, आपने ऐसे कुछ ट्राई किया?
मतलब बाकी एथलीट का तो पता नहीं, शूटर जरूरी है, टेक्निक अपनाने लगेंगे कि जैक डैनियल पीने से गोल्ड आ रहे हैं. नहीं, पर सभी का अलग अलग होता है मैम. बिल्कुल मैं मानता हूँ कि शूटिंग बहुत ही मेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट हमसे गेम है और बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए इसमें मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ. हमारी भी चाहिए क्योंकि फिजिकल के साथ साथ फिजिकली फिट होना पड़ता है. लेकिन जब ओलंपिक के उधर उतरते हैं ग्राउंड में, तब एकदम फिजिकली भी हम ढीले हो जाते हैं. वहाँ पे ऐसा शरीर एकदम नीचे डाउन होता है, पर मेंटली वहाँ पे स्ट्रॉन्ग रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट है जैसे मैम बोल रही है. लेकिन मैंने किया है शूटिंग ट्राई, पर बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रोल चाहिए उसमें. मतलब मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाया. पहले 2-3 बार तो मैं देख रहा था कहाँ पे लगाऊं कि दीवार पे लगी जाके गोली वहाँ पे.
No, I was a nervous wreck, and I usually am. So before Neeraj's final, I was calling his coach non-stop. So I don't really talk to the athlete. And this time I was sitting in Delhi. So I must have called the coach about 50 times. And then at 3 o'clock in the morning, on the morning of the final, the Klaus sends me a message saying, our baby slept well, now the chicken must fly. So, and it surely flew. Neeraj,